I gave the link in description. You must first click on Start Now. After this you have to write your name in the name box. After typing your name you have to enter the name of the city where your airport is located. After this, you have to enter the name of the city of the country in which you want to travel. After that you have to enter the flight date you want to go. You have to enter boarding timing. Select the airline of the country you want to go through the airline. As you click on Done you can see, your airline ticket has been prepared. Now you can see my details on it. The way I have shown the details, the same details will appear. After that you can also download it by simply long press on the picture. Thank you very much for watching this video. Share and like this video as much as you can. Also do subscribe. Thank you.